You can keep surviving consulting, or you can start leading it. This is the difference. Drop the word ready in the comments below, and I'll send you an application to join the Consulting Career Accelerator Foundation Program cohort. This is the last message in our August series, and I want to bring everything together. Because if you've been with me for the last 4 weeks, you've already seen the shape of what real career growth in consulting actually looks like. We started by naming the truth. Burnout and stalled career are almost always the same problem, not two separate issues. One root cause, a lack of clarity, discipline, and direction. Then we talked about what really gets you promoted. Not hours, but trust, ownership, and visibility. Next, we talked about meetings before meetings, the discipline of walking into every room already prepared to lead it. Then we talked about an owner's mindset, the shift from task taker to owner that partners notice before you even realize you've made it. And we talked about executive presence as a discipline, not a personality trait. And lastly, we talked about asking the one question most consultants are too afraid to ask at review time. Here's what I want you to understand. None of this is complicated. None of it requires you to become a different person. But all of it requires something that's genuinely hard to build alone. Consistency, accountability, and someone who's actually sat in the rooms where these decisions get made, telling you the truth instead of a vague, comfortable version of it. That's exactly what the Consulting Career Accelerator is. Not another course that sits half finished in your inbox. A real system built from 35 years inside of PwC, Deloitte, Accenture, and Infosys Consulting, with the foundation program, master classes, one-on-one and group coaching, and a community of consulting professionals who are done accepting "you're doing great, keep it up" as an answer. I built this because I lived the burnout. I lived the uncertainty. I lived the years of wondering if the sacrifice was worth it. And I also lived what's possible on the other side of building real discipline, real presence, and a real plan. Rising to senior consulting partner, and now spending my time helping the next generation get there faster and with a lot less unnecessary pain than I went through. If anything over these last 4 weeks made you nod, made you uncomfortable, made you think that's exactly where I am right now, that's not a coincidence. That's a sign. The foundation program for the Consulting Career Accelerator is now open with a limited number of spots for this cohort because I want to know exactly who the people are I'm coaching, not run some anonymous mass program. So drop in the comment the word ready and I'll send you the application. You don't have to keep surviving your consulting career. You can start leading it and leading your life at the same time. I'm Michael Hendrix. Let's become the leader of your life and of your business together. I'll see you on the inside.